Hello, welcome to People Toys, where we make the reality our playground. On this channel, you'll find every Friday at 7 p.m. the best reviews of the latest gadgets available on the world. In today's video, we'll review 8 amazing kitchen gadgets you must have in 2020. If this is your kind of thing, and you think there's no age to have fun and play with your toys, you're in the right place. Before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. Just make yourself comfortable cause it's time to play. The first gadget in this video is the Go Rapid Egg Cooker. It has an egg boiler machine that can cook multiple eggs at the same time in different ways, whether you want to make hard-boiled, medium, or boiled eggs, as well as poached eggs. If you need to make multiple portions at the same time, this electric egg cooker is for you. There are 2 types of models available with capacities to make 6 and up to 12 eggs. This useful cooking tool is only 7.5 inches wide and 6.5 inches tall, making it very convenient for your kitchen no matter what size it is. The average time to make 6 eggs is about 16 minutes, and when cooked, a bell is ringed so that you press the off button and that the cooking is perfect. Make your breakfasts easier and more productive with Go Rapid Egg Cooker. If you already decide on this gadget, I leave you the link in the comment section below. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale is not another food scale in the market. It gives you knowledge about what you are about to eat. This food weight scale is for you if you are on a strict diet or need to keep track of your calories or macros. This digital kitchen scale stands apart from the others because not only does this scale weigh food, but if you synchronized by Bluetooth with your Android or iOS device, the scale access to a USDA database contains over 8,000 different food products and is always updating. Besides the database, you can get information about different brands, different forms of food, juice, and stores on the same product. So you'll get the full nutritional information on the food you just purchased and the way you are about to eat. It all shows up on the scale and on your device to help keep in line with your macros. If you are into getting better health, this analog food scale gives you all the information you'll need to get you healthier than at any time before. If you like the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, don't forget to like this video too. Third. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This little and cute sandwich maker can make you the perfect sandwich in less than 5 minutes. At the bottom of this muffin maker, there is a heating plate where you put your muffin. There is also a slide-out cooking plate that cooks the ingredients you put on your sandwich, and you can add the top of your muffin to get warm and crusty with the top heating plate. The mid-section comes out and can be washed with warm soapy water or at the top of your dishwasher. The best type of bread to put in here is the English muffins because they are round and they fit perfectly into the slot. If you're going to use bagels, you have to find small enough bagels to fit in. There is a red light when the unit is heated up. It'll turn green. That's when you put all your ingredients in to make the sandwich. There's no indicator to tell you when the toasted sandwich is done, but as we said, is around 5 minutes. Get you a perfect sandwich with Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. To know more about this amazing gadget and so much more, visit us on peopletoys.com. The next in this list is the Ember Smart Mug. This mug is so smart that you can set a precise temperature through the phone app, and the mug will keep your hot drink at that accurate temperature. The main features with this device all happened within the smartphone app. However, if you don't have a smartphone around and you want to use it by default, it will warm the beverage to 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57.2 degrees Celsius. Ember Smart Mug knows when to turn itself on when it senses liquid poured into the mug and turns itself off when it knows there's nothing in the mug. The battery will last you about an hour, but it all depends if you're pouring something into the Ember Smart Mug that is warm or cold. You can download the app from iOS or Android app stores. This temperature control mug has 2 size options, a 10-ounce and a 14-ounce version. While pricey, this gadget is the answer for you if you're willing to pay to keep your drinks warm. If you already decide on the Ember Smart Mug, I leave you the link in the comment section below. 5th. NutriBullet NBR 1201. With this food extractor, you can now quickly get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them but by drinking them. The secret is a NutriBullet 600-watt motor combined with built exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the extractor blades. It all breaks down and pulverizes the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside. Take ordinary foods and turn them into superfoods. This gives you the strength and energy you need for a fully active lifestyle, whatever is your age. The NutriBullet NBR 1201 comes with everything you'll need to get started on your health and wellness path. It includes the super-sized 24-ounce cup perfect for everyday use and the 18-ounce cup ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. You'll be astonished at how great it can make you feel. Get more of your food with the original superfood nutrient extractor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to find more related videos and make your reality your playground. The next gadget is StirMATE Smart Pot Stir. After a long day, the last thing any of us want is to get home and make very elaborate meals. With the Smart Pot Stirrer StirMATE, the days of multitasking in the kitchen are over. This Smart Pot Stirrer is the kitchen assistant you've always wanted. You just have to put it in the pot, and this automatic pot stirrer starts moving that risotto, soup or stew that you like so much but that you never do it for fear of burning it or the idea to get your kitchen a complete mess. It has a 9-volt battery that lasts up to 12 hours as well as 3 tough motors and bristles to stir even coffee beans. If you need an extra hand in your kitchen, StirMATE is the right gadget for you. If you already decide on the StirMATE Smart Pot Stirrer, I leave you the link in the comment section below. 7. SAKI Sous Vide Cooker. Meaning under vacuum in French, sous vide is one of the most sophisticated ways of cooking, is used by top chefs and top restaurants. With SAKI Sous Vide Cooker, you can bring this method to your home. When food is cooked in traditional ways as a stovetop or in the oven, the outside of the food reaches higher temperatures than the desired. It increases the risk of overcooking. By using this water immersion cooker gadget, food is cooked at a much lower temperature for a more extended time than usual. This prevents evaporative loss of moisture and enables food to be prepared to its most moist and aromatic potential. You have to plastic seal your food and set the time and temperature and let a sous vide cooker do all the work. There is a Wi-Fi option to control it through the smartphone app. When it's ready, the SAKI Sous Vide will alert you to shut off. Be a top chef at home every day with SAKI Sous Vide Cooker. If you already decide on the SAKI Sous Vide Cooker, I leave you the link in the comment section below. It's time to review the last amazing kitchen gadgets you must have in 2020. Yaylabs Ice Cream Ball. It's a soft ball with a chamber inside where you can put ingredients like cream or milk, sugar, and your favorite flavoring option to do ice cream for everyone at home. The fun part is making the ice cream, and the kids will do all the work. You can get tons of Yaylabs ice cream ball recipe that comes in on the manual, but let's say you want to do classic vanilla ice cream. First, you take a pint of cream, a half teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then you'll need 1/3 a cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you add as much ice as possible in there. It's about 8 cups of ice. After that, the fun part starts. You just give the ball to the kids and can play soccer, catch, or whatever game they came up with. The idea is to move the ball as much as they can. After 10 minutes, you're supposed to stir it and see how it looks, and if the texture is creamy enough, it's done. Now everyone can enjoy delicious ice cream with this soft shell ice cream ball almost effortlessly. If you already decide on the Yaylabs ice cream ball, I leave you the link in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to visit us on peopletoys.com.